welcome back to my channel. I'm Richa Mundhara for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, fashion and so much more. So please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And today is a vlog video. This is somewhere in between the vlog that I realized that I've not shot the intro, and I was trying out some makeup products, and this look came out, which is pretty decent, pretty nice, and like really nice look actually. So I thought that I'll shoot the intro now. This is a 4-day vlog. 3 days holiday because of Saturday, Sunday and Holi, and Friday was a holiday because it was a Google Global Day off for wellness, so that makes it 4 days of holiday. And last time when I vlogged this, I realized you guys enjoyed it, so I thought that this time I'll do it too. So I hope you enjoy the video, and in some time, I think today's 27th, so I'll talk about this makeup look on 27th. So yeah, future, past, thoda sa gadbad hai, but I hope you enjoy the vlog, and if you do, please let me know in the comments if you need more vlogs. I'm going to Hyderabad pretty soon, and there might be a lot of fun, there might be a lot of masti, so if you want that vlog, let me know in the comments. For today's video, as you can see, I'm in the car and I'm going to visit this place. It's called Ginnar. Ginnar, Raipur का 50 years around पुराना restaurant है, and it's one of those family restaurants जिसमें बचपन में I think हर birthday party, हर celebration हुआ करता था. So it's a very special place. I'm going there to celebrate its 50th birthday, and I'm gonna take you along. But काफ़ी drooling vlog होने वाला है ये. So let's go. I'm here. I have my mask in case you're wondering. And I'm ready, and it's super hot, and yeah, let's go. Okay, what's up everyone? I'm back from Ginnar, and मैंने सोचा था कि I will do like a Ginnar vlog, but I thought that because I have like 4 days of holiday, it's tomorrow, day after, like till Holi, because I thought it's like a 4-day holiday, instead of doing like a Ginnar vlog, like Ginnar lunch vlog, I'll do like a 4-day vlog on what I do. There's not much planned, but let's see how it goes. And daily vlogs are like working really nicely on my channel, so I thought I'll do that. Currently I am on to the gym. Today is 25th of March. Today's 25th of March. It's about 7 p.m. Yep, it's about 7 p.m. My workout starts at about 7:30, so I'll go take a coffee, shot or something, and head to the gym. See you there.
The next day.
Good morning guys, today is the 26th of March, and मैं अभी उठी हूँ. It's 11 o'clock. काफ़ी छुट्टी का ऐसा भरपूर इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है, but हाँ, I don't know what are the plans for today. We have, like Riddhi and I have some plans for tomorrow, but for today there's no plans. Friday है तो I can't even meet my friends, सब working पे होंगे, मतलब सब काम पे होंगे. So what I'm thinking is to learn some editing. I have a full-time editor on board who does edit my like YouTube videos and everything, but I want to learn editing myself also because she's giving her exams till May, so she'll be busy, and all the videos that have to go up, if they have to go via me, like they have to get edited by me, so I'm not pretty sure. Sorry for my voice, it's just a morning voice. And yeah, let's see. I'm planning to shoot something, although I'm not very motivated to make a lot of content because I'm too lazy. One, second, I'm not getting the engagement or the, I feel there are bots following me everywhere. I don't know why. There's no engagement on my post, no liking, no commenting, no sharing. It's very irritating. So I don't have a lot of motivation to post. But yeah, I think I spoke to a lot of people, and I think posting reels will change the game. But let's see. I'm posting one particular reel today. I hope that works well. Literally a lot of sweat has gone into that reel. So yeah, let's see. I'll keep talking to you. I'll keep making the videos and everything, and I'll keep talking to you. But for now, that's all the updates that I have. It's 1:30 p.m. time for lunch, but I'm editing one of the videos and it is so difficult to edit. Learn and edit is difficult. This video is about 18 minutes long. It was 23 minutes long. I got it down to 18. Now I'm getting it down to I don't know what. This is the Snack Star video. I think it will go live after this vlog goes live, but let's see. मेरी editing पे depend करता है वो कब live जाता है. But yep, that's going on. I just got done shooting a video, and it was a holy video. It's up on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. The handle is somewhere here. But yeah, I got just shooting with a video, and that is a gulal on my face. Yeah. Now I'll just remove this. I have gulal like all over my phone as well. Remove this, change, and head to the gym. So I'll see you in the gym.
We're just going.
अभी हम तुम्हारे बाल रंगाने जा रहे हैं ना. हम तुम्हारे बाल रंगाने का प्रोसेस दिखाएंगे आज.
नहीं.
हाँ.
मेरे को नहीं दिखाओगे. There's no. You don't have my consent.
There's just छोटा सा club दिखाएंगे हम. While you're at it.
No.
Okay, fine. Let's see.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Back and look at this girl. Do you see the change? इंसान एकदम बदल गया. मैं सेम वैसी की वैसी दिख रही हूँ. मैडम एकदम चेंज हो गई यार. We're heading home. I'll next meet you at my nail appointment. Okay, so I am back from the parlor and everything, and I got my nails done. These look so pretty. I got it from the nail art box. I'll leave her handle here. She's amazing. She does it at home. So please support local people who do it for their own businesses, like small businesses. Please support them. She does it at home. Her handle is right here. And yeah, this is such a pretty shade. And for this makeup look, oh my god, I didn't expect it to turn out like this, but it turned out really nice. I was trying 2-3 new products. One was, let me show you. Okay, so the new products that I was trying was, one was this. This is the NARS foundation. This is in the shade Punjab. This my salon wali didi suggested me that I should go for that shade, and this works perfectly, dude. This works. So initially when I was blending it, it did not get blended really nicely because I was doing it with a brush, but then it did get blended when I started using a sponge. So thumbs up, this foundation is really good. It matches my skin perfectly. And yeah, the next thing that I was trying was this. This is the Tarte concealer. It's in the shade medium, 35N medium. I tried it, didn't actually work with me, work a lot with me, until I mixed it up with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the orange shade corrector. So that worked really well, and I can't see any dark circles, which I am liking, which is a good thing. And then the third product I tried is Hoola. Okay, this product has been talked so much, and मैंने अनम के channel पे देखा था how she uses this as a multi product. So this is how the product looks. So I use it on my eyes as a crease cover, and that is like a basic look that I can do. And I used it as contouring also. I did not do very harsh contouring because I'm still learning and I didn't want to go all on it, but yeah, looks nice. And I think the makeup look has turned nice. Riddhi, what do you say? Is the makeup look nice? Okay, she's coming in the frame. इसकी भी आपको नए बाल दिख गए ना आज वैसे, but हाँ, but हम देख लेते हैं. Okay, let's hold on. हाँ, makeup look कैसा है? थोड़ा फ्रेम में आना पड़ेगा, तुम फ्रेम में नहीं.
थोड़ा ये ज़्यादा है ब्लश.
हाँ, तो वो तो यार मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना ये चीज़ कि ब्लश आप मतलब ज़्यादा कम कैसे होता है, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स डू अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लश एंड दे लाइक इट, एंड आई थिंक इवन आई लाइक इट. सो let me know if there is something called as too much blush. We'll call it a night. Tomorrow we have some things to do. We have some relatives, क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, होलिका पूजा. नहीं, होलिका पूजा तो है, होलिका दहन भी है, but then we have भैया लोग की नज़र उतारना. I think that's what it's called. I will let you know once. तिलक, हाँ भैया लोग का तिलक करते हैं हम लोग होली के पहले वाले दिन। और कल क्या होता है वो हम आपको कल बताएंगे जब हम रेडी हो जाते हैं। आज के लिए वी डन। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, टुडे इज़ 28th of March। और आज हमने क्या किया, आज हम सुबह से उठे हैं, आज हमारे घर में एक पूजा होती है, सो वी डिड दैट। एंड उसके बाद मैं और रिद्धि बैठ के बहुत सारे रील्स बना रहे हैं बिकॉज आई हैव टू गो, लाइक आई हैव टू लीव फॉर हैदराबाद इन 3 days, विच ही इज़ नॉट वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट, बट आई एम हैप्पी अबाउट। एंड तो मैं सोचा थोड़ा सा ऐसा कंटेंट बैकअप बना के जाया जाए। So we're creating some reels. I'll insert those links here. And in case you're not following me on Instagram, please do so and just follow me on Instagram. और बाकी आज का प्लान ये है कि we have to pack and then we have to go to my cousin's place. अभी के लिए बस यही अपडेट है। Hey everyone, today is the day of Holi and it's like 29th of March and this is the last day of my vacation. And what I've done, I have slept the whole day. That is the soul and eyes. And yeah, I have just slept the whole day. It's 4 o'clock in the evening and I've been sleeping. I woke up to eat and again I've been sleeping. So I think I did not do anything interesting. I did not play Holi and everything. So I think I'll end the vlog here. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.